Good evening. This is Mr. A. James from English Department, working as an assistant professor of English. So today we are going to have a focus on the theme called error spotting, which is very essential while speaking communicative English. So many students as well as many of us are making some common mistakes that we are making blurred speech. Blurred speech in the sense we don't know where to use past tense, where to use present tense, and where to use the articles, where to use the pronouns, and where to use all such things. Okay. So this session I'm just going to give a review on what is the meaning of the error spotting and what is the steps taken to clear it. That's very essential. Okay. First of all, let us have a look at the topic called error spotting here. Error spotting in the sense, as the name itself suggests that, error spotting in the sense, we have to spot the errors. Before spotting the errors, we should know what is the errors occurred in a sentence. Okay, so many students, we are making a mistakes on the same thing that we don't know how to clear it. That's very essential. Okay, so the meaning of the error spotting is that it identifies grammar mistakes. Very good point. It starts saying that it identifies the grammar mistakes. So we actually make some mistakes in grammar. Okay. So for identifying the grammar mistakes, this error spotting is being used. Okay. And next thing, why we are using error spotting in the sense it improves communication level. Okay. Most of the students, they don't know to speak English very perfectly and fluently. Maybe they are weak in English or the communication, and that results leads to the error spotting here. Okay, so main thing it improves the communication level also, and it focusing on patterns. Okay, for anything we should be having subtitle or the plan or schedule or patterns like that. So in the same sense, in English language also, in English grammar also, it states the same that it tells about the patterns. What is the pattern we will be using? What is the steps we have to take? And what is the thing we have to do it? Okay, so this is the main thing of the error spotting. So where we will make the mistakes in generally, where we will make the common mistakes in the sense, it is there subject or agreement, tenses, prepositions, articles and pronouns. This is the main areas of grammar where we can make mistakes at all. Okay, so that's very essential to develop our communication levels. Okay, so subject or agreement in the sense it is one of the topic in the grammar which mingles or which connects the subject to the verb. Okay, and tenses we know that there are past tense is there, present tense is there, future tense is there. And preposition is nothing but it states or describes the position of a noun or pronoun. Okay. Moreover, it comes before a noun or pronoun. And for articles, we all know that it is nothing but a and the. A is used before consonant sounds and is used before vowel sounds. They are used for the specific thing. And for pronouns, it's used instead of noun. Okay. That is the main thing we are going to say. Okay. So let us see one by one here. So in the subject of agreement, it describes about the thing is that the singular subject always requires a singular verb. We should focus on this. Okay. Many of the students, we are making mistake here. When the subject is singular, automatically the verb should be singular. Okay, in the same sense, when the subject is plural, the verb must be also in a plural way. Okay, for example, see, the list of items are long. Here we can say the subject is singular, so the verb should be singular also. Okay, so in the same sense, the sentence if you see here, the list of items are long. Sentence is entirely wrong. And what is the mistake made here is that it is the mistake verb. Okay, so the correct formation of the sentence is the list of items is long, not all. So whenever we will be writing as all is correct, but grammatically it is wrong. Okay, why in the sense? The singular subject requires a singular verb always. Okay, that's very essential. You should be knowing. So the list of items is long, not or long. Okay. So like that, we should be able to know that. Next is that I want to say about the articles here. Articles in the sense, we all know that A and the. A means we have to use before consonant sounds, and is used before vowel sound, and they used to use for specific things. So article is nothing but general versus specific. Okay. So A and an used for consonants, and vowel sound used for and. And for specific thing, particular one thing, we have to use the. So this is the main thing we have to focus on. Okay. So that's the one of the main thing where we are using this. Okay. We'll continue the PPT in the next slide. Okay. Thanks so much.